we're going to complete the squares to write an equation of a circle from the given equation. So what you need to do is you have to complete the square for x's, complete the squares from y's, and you have to make the other side equal to r squared. Remember, the equation of a circle is what? X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared for the circle. We need to complete a square for x's, 1. You have to complete the square for y, for k, and whatever you have on the other side will give you the radius. So first step is group like terms. So let's group x's first. So I put x squared with x, negative 8x. And in order to complete the square, I need to do b divided by 2 squared. So I'm going to just go ahead and write a number there. I don't know what it is yet, because my first step is to group like terms. What about y? So plus y squared and minus 8y. And how do you complete the square? If you have, again, ax squared plus bx plus c, you do b divided by 2 square to get c when you complete the square. And what about this constant? You're going to put all the constant on the other side. So what happens? It becomes, if you move it to the other side, it becomes negative 23, right? You have to subtract 23 to move it to the other side. And remember, if it's an equal equation with the equal sign, and if you add some number here, what do you need to do? You have to add the number to the other side to make it equal. Whenever you add a number here to complete the square for y, you have to add that number to the other side to make it equal. So let's go ahead and complete the square for x. So the second step is complete the square. How? You do b divided by 2, which is negative 4, squared to get this number 16, right? Then you can complete this square. And here, you see how we just added 16 on one side? To keep this equation equal to each other, we have to add 16 to the other side. What about here? My b is negative 8. Actually, it happened to be the same. So negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4 squared becomes what? 16. So here, I added 16 to complete my y. So then I have to add 16 on the other side too, to keep them same. So now what do? Factor, right? Write in a factor form. So here's my x's. So again, how do you write it? It is x. What two number multiplies to 16 and adds to negative 8? Minus 4. This number will be always what? Half of b. Negative 8 divided by 2. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. Negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8. Plus, what about here? Y. Y plus half of b. What's half of b? Negative 4 squared equals to negative 23 plus 16 plus 16 gives you 9. So then you have 9. Doesn't this look familiar to you? Isn't this the equation of a circle? So then question is, determine the equation use your equation to determine the coordinate of a center and the radius. So what's the center? Center is, it's x minus h. So what is h? 4. Opposite sign, remember? 4 comma. 4 is the center of the circle. And what's the radius? 9 is r squared. So what do you need to do from 9? Square root it to get r equals to